Hello everyone. I am Devyani Parmanand. I am a chartered accountant by profession and today I am your host for Talking Tuesdays on Wisdom Curators. Our topic for Talking Tuesdays today is Lend an Ear and Earn a Friend. Let me tell you at the very beginning, I am blessed with many friends, wonderful, sensitive people around me, caring for me, loving me. And I don't take all the credit for that. But it was not so in my childhood. I was a very shy child. I couldn't utter a word in front of strangers. So making friends was really difficult. I was never comfortable in big gatherings and group talks. I used to be really totally tongue-tied. But one-on-one I made great friends. And with time I noticed that others started feeling comfortable talking to me and sharing their deepest secrets. I realized that the reason for this was a lot due to my inherent shy nature. I talked less and hence listened more, and that attracted friends to me. The value of a good listener became more clearer to me when I used to watch my little girl, just a toddler then, enthusiastically nodding and making encouraging sounds whenever my husband used to practice his office presentations at home. Her tiny head bobbing up and down as she made sounds like okay, yes, was really cute and in some unique way just what my husband needed at that time. Being a good listener is one of the most important and enchanting life skills anyone can have. Yet, few of us know how to do it, not because we are insensitive, but just because no one has really taught us how. And of course, very few people have actually sufficiently listened to us. We are always eager to speak rather than listen. We want to meet people, make friends, but very reluctant to actually listen to them. To some extent, our education is also to blame for this. We have thousands of books on speaking, but sadly, very few books on listening. So what is it that makes listeners so attractive as friends? What makes spending time in their company so nice? Well, we are generally propelled into conversation by something that feels urgent and somehow undefined. We are either bothered at work, thinking about our career, or status of our relationships, generally feeling low, depressed, without actually putting a finger on what exactly is wrong. Or maybe we are enthusiastic and excited about something, but maybe it's very tricky to pin it down. All these issues may be needing elucidation. A good listener knows that we would move from this uncertain, confused state of mind to a more focused, serene mind only via conversation. But this doesn't happen generally. More so because there is hardly any awareness that elucidation or clarification may be needed while you are conversing with someone. So you may be asserting the fact that you are worried or excited or sad or happy, but your friend is just hearing and not assisting you to discover more about your state. And that is the fundamental difference between hearing and listening. Hearing is plain, simple hearing. Sound waves are going in and that's it. No further processing is happening. Whereas in listening, a lot more is happening. What? A good listener knows that we would benefit hugely with encouragement to elaborate if we go deeper into the details and push a little further. They know the two magic words that we all want to hear, and they are. Go on. Good listeners hear intently. They offer encouraging remarks of support. They make gentle positive gestures, a sigh of sympathy, a nod of agreement, a much needed to show interest. They love saying, "Tell me more about that. I really liked it when you said that. What do you think happened? How does this make you feel?" Good listeners know that there would be vagueness in a conversation with a troubled mind. A good friend, a good listener, always tries to keep our histories in mind. They refer back to something we said before, and that makes us more comfortable as they build a deeper sense of engagement. In fact, a good listener would try to bring us back to our reasonable idea if it seems that we are getting wavered and lost in the subplots. So they will bring you back. Yes. So you were saying a moment ago. So what do you think about that? Good listeners do not condemn, rush, or get impatient. They do not judge. They don't moralize. They accept and recognize human follies. They don't flinch when we talk about our terrors or our desires. Their assuring glance is enough to tell us that our dignity is safe with them. In fact, our vulnerability is what warms them to us. They might make confessions themselves to assure us that it is normal to be imperfect and muddled. But these confessions are not to unburden themselves, but to just reassure us that a bad parent, a poor lover, or a confused worker is not something unusual. In fact, it is the ordinary feature of being alive. Something that we have deleted in today's make-believe world of the social media. When we are in the company of good listeners, we experience a very powerful pleasure. But most often we do not realize what is it in this person that this person is doing that is making us feel so good. So it's our duty to understand these feelings of satisfaction and their source and learn the ways, and then offer this pleasure to others who in turn will notice, heal, and repay the favor further. Good listening is, in fact, the key to having a good time and enjoying the company of good friends. So that's why I say, lend an ear and earn a friend. I have been blessed with a lot of friends who are good listeners, and I strive to repay this favor further and spread the pleasure around. So in spite of the fact that on a talking day I have spoken at length about good listening, I now want to be the good listener and want to read your views and comments on this subject. Do send in your thoughts in the form of posts, articles, anecdotes, incidents, experiences from your own lives on our group, the Wisdom Curators, the whole day today. And I assure you, I would be reading your comments, listening to your thoughts, and watching your posts. I am waiting to be your friend. Till then, take care.